coronavirus cases cross 30.6 million, death toll passes 9,56,400. The US holds its second high-profile visit to Taiwan in 2 months as Beijing escalates military pressure. Afghanistan passes law to write mother's name on identity card. The chief of Iran Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps has vowed to take revenge of the killing of General Soleimani from the US. In Nigeria, 16 Boko Haram militants have been killed and 38 others arrested during a military operation in Borno State. India claims to indict soldier for killing 3 innocent Kashmiris. Thousands join huge protest demanding reforms in Thailand. Indonesian caught without a mask force a day graves for COVID-19 victims.